Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Solar Plexus pre-cat tinting for our car windows. This is awesome car window tint. We tint our car easier than with thin film. No bubbles, no scratches, no water, no glue. The Solar Plexus is the market's most easily fitted sunshade for our car. They have over 500,000 satisfied customers like me throughout Europe. And that's right. I installed it and you can see it looks really awesome on my car. We mounted ourselves in only 15 minutes, and the sun weather can be easily removed if it is necessary. Unlike ordinary solar film, the Solar Plexus is a hard, flexible car polycarbonate panel. The material is unbreakable and can be bent extensively without damage. The material is so consistent tint throughout, and light transmission is only 10%. With the Solar Plexus tint in place, nobody can see into our car, but we, as the driver, can clearly see out, or nearly clearly. It works in the same way as a pair of sunglasses and has the same characteristics as solar films. It reduces the heat, it removes 90% of the direct sunlight, and it provides privacy inside our car. The Solar Plexus is crash tested by the Swedish VTI and approved by the German TÜV. And we do not need tools while we are assembling. And the complete car takes about 50 minutes to fit. The Solar Plexus car tint is placed behind the car interior around the glass panels. It is secured with clips. The Solar Plexus is available for most car brands and for over 4,500 car models. Thanks to the fact that this toning is pre-cut for our particle car, we get a perfectly adapted product for our particle car at home. And the bad thing is no bubbles, no scratches, no water, and no glue. Mounting a solar film is not easy, but I showed you before. It is okay, you can perform this. But many people experience beach and mess with water, soap, and glue. To then fit the solar film so that it covers the entire car window and at the same time get a result without bubbles is no easy task. Many times the result is maybe not good, but with the Solar Plexus toning for the car, we avoid all of this. The privacy screens are delivered pre-cut to each unique car model for quickly assembly. The toning is more durable than solar film colored and unbreakable. And it's pre-cutted, as you can see for my Poseidon 2. If we order, we have to tell Solar Plexus what car we like to tint, and then we can become an individual Avant A4 tint for our windows. It's custom made for my vehicle now. No film, easy installation, and always a preferred fit. The Solar Plexus sun protection is almost opaque from the outside, while we can still see out well from the inside, like with sunglasses. These windows are made of Macrolon to perfect fit for our vehicle. They are fastened quickly and easily between the vehicle trim and the original windscreen covering the entire window. And TÜV tested and certified. The Solar Plexus panels comes with a burned-in test number and ABG. We don't have to show the vehicle to the TÜV. And we protect ourselves and our passengers from rapid heating up, UVA and B rays, and unwanted looks from outside. We have to select our windows, of course. I make all of them. Rear window plus rear side windows. And of course, plus the door windows too. So this is the complete package. Because the front side on the windows, you cannot make a tint forward. And then you will get the pre-cut sunshade and you can attach it. It delivers around about 1 week, and it is made in Sweden. We reduce heat and transparency in the car by tinting the window with this privacy screen. We create more pleasant anti-climate in the car. In addition, solar plexus stops transparency, which reduces the risk of vehicle burglary. And of course, it protects children from direct sunlight. Avoiding emergency solutions such as towels in the window or sun protection with suction plugs that come loose, we ordered the sun protection to our car that eliminates up to 90% of the sunlight. A more pleasant car climate for the smaller passengers. And we can protect our pet from heat. The temperature inside a vehicle can rise rapidly if the sun shines bright during the summer. Even if we only leave our dog for a brief time, we think may go horribly wrong. Today, we pick up some car sunshades to avoid these situations. And you can see it's really easy to attach. Clean your glasses, then attach it. Only press it in position because it is marked. And then the only thing you have to do is there are assembling sticks which are included, and these are parts which have a glue part, and this will get this in position. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.